Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Maywood, local and long-distance movers near me. We provide the best reliable long-distance moving services to help make your move a lot simpler. Choosing our crew to help you means your cross-country relocation is going to be smoothly. With us, you get all the best moving services to make relocating a lot easier. If you're searching for a general move or a full-service move, our company offers all the options you need, including banking, unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. Hiring a local Illinois moving company might not seem unnecessary at first. A better look at the benefits you receive from a local moving company can help you understand why it's a wise decision. The time savings you gain can make using the services of a moving company with us the best decisions you've made. Movers can also ensure you don't have to deal with any of the heavy lifting. When you choose our movers, you get professionals ready to make your local move incredibly simple. 3 Movers understands how to simplify your move. Even if your move is big enough that would take you all week, we can get it done in no more than a day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Maywood moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, military moving, residential moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form. Pack, move, and